In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to build the WooCommerce shop and products archive in WordPress using Elementor. If you want full control over your shop layout instead of using the default WooCommerce design, this method will let you completely customize your store the right way. We'll be using a powerful plugin together with Elementor to create a professional shop page without touching any code. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the final assignment step, because that's what actually makes your design go live. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Plugins, then click Add New. Here, we're going to install a plugin that allows us to design WooCommerce templates inside Elementor. In the search bar, type ShopLentor. Once you see the plugin appear in the results, click Install Now. After installation finishes, click Activate. Activating the plugin is important because this enables the template builder features that we'll use to design the shop and product archive layout. Once activated, you'll notice a new ShopLentor option inside your WordPress dashboard menu. Next, go to ShopLentor in the left sidebar and click on Template Builder. This is where we can create custom templates for different WooCommerce pages, like the shop page, single product pages, cart, checkout, and more. Click on Add New Template. Now you'll need to choose the template type. Since we're building the main shop and product archive layout, select Shop as the template type. Then make sure the editor is set to Elementor. This ensures we'll be designing visually using drag and drop instead of working with code. After selecting those options, click Create Template. Now you'll be redirected to the Elementor editor. This is where the real design begins. Inside the Elementor panel, search for the widget called WL Universal Product Layout. This widget is specifically designed for WooCommerce product archives and shop pages. Drag and drop the WL Universal Product Layout widget onto your page. As soon as you place it, you'll see your products displayed in a grid layout. From here, you can fully customize the design. You can adjust the number of columns, control spacing, modify typography, change button styles, adjust image sizes, and style the price and title exactly how you want. Take your time here to match your brand colors and overall website design. Once you're happy with your layout and styling, click Publish. But we're not done yet. This is the step many people miss. Designing the template alone does not automatically apply it to your shop page. To assign it properly, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to WooCommerce, click Settings, and open the ShopLentor tab. Inside this tab, you'll see a drop-down option labeled Shop Page Template. Click the drop-down and select the template you just created. After selecting it, click Save Changes. Now your custom Elementor design is officially assigned to your WooCommerce shop and product archive page. If you visit your shop page on the front end of your website, you'll see your new custom layout live and working. That's it. You've successfully built the WooCommerce shop and products archive in WordPress using Elementor. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future WooCommerce and Elementor tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.